welcome to NS Physics Academy. Today's session we are discussing about two bodies connected with a string. It passes over a pulley. What is the acceleration of a given body and what is the tensional force of a body? We are finding today. So I am taking one frictionless surface. I am attaching pulley. Two bodies connected with a string, and this string it is passed over a pulley like this. It is passed over a pulley. This first body mass it is m1 and second body mass this is m2. So here it is the tensional force act on a string, that becomes T, and the acceleration of given bodies, that is A. So I am kept m1 on frictionless surface, frictionless smooth surface m1, it's kept on a table and it is passed over a pulley, and second body I am attaching here, that is m2. The acceleration of m2 it is A. So what is the tensional force of a given body? That is equal to the, we know already T is equal to the m1 A. This is equation number 1. The tension force of a first body is equal to the m1 A. And what is the tensional force, and what is the force of a second body? That is equal to the m2 G minus T is equal to the m2 A. So here m2 is the mass of a second body, G is the gravitational force, it acts downwards. So T is the tensional force of a string. So we know the value of T here based on the equation number 1. So I am substituting T value in equation 2. So this is the second equation. I am substituting first equation in second one. So what is the value? M2 into G minus T value, that is M1 A is equal to the M2 A. So we have M2 G value, it is equal to the m1 plus m2 into A. So what is the A value? That is m2 by m1 plus m2 into G. So this is the acceleration of a given body. So A is equal to the m2 upon m1 plus m2 into G. Here A is the acceleration of second body, m1 and m2, and m1 is the mass of first body, m2 is the mass of second body, G is the gravitational force, it acts downwards. We know that. So we are finding tensional force. We have formula T is equal to the m1 into A. So I am substituting A value here. T is equal to the m1 A value, that is m2 upon m1 plus m2 into G. So this is the tensional force. So the tensional force is equal to the T is equal to m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2 into G. This is the tensional force of a given body. For example, suppose the body, the two body masses I am taking here, the m1 mass it is equal to the m1 is equal to the 2, it is equal to the 1 kg. So what is the acceleration of your bodies? M1 is the 2 kg and m2 is the 1 kg. What is the acceleration? What is the acceleration of a given body? It is passed over through a pulley. Two bodies, body mass 2 kg and 1 kg. It is attached to a string and over a pulley. What is the acceleration of a given body and what is the tensional force of a given body we are finding now. So we know the formula already. The acceleration formula, that is equal to the A is equal to the m2 upon m1 plus m2 into G. We have values here. m1 it is equal to the 2 kg and m2 is equal to the 1 kg. Then G value, that is equal to 9.8 meter per second inverse minus 2. We know already. So what is the acceleration? We have formula here. A is equal to the M2. M2 upon M2 it is 1 upon M1 plus M2 that is 1 plus 2 into G value that is 9.8 is equal to the 9.8 upon 3. It is approximately is equal to the 3.26 meter second inverse minus 2. So the value becomes the A is equal to the 3.26 meter second inverse minus 2. So we are finding the A value. So meter second inverse minus 2 is the unit of acceleration. So this is a given body. What about tensional force of a given body? What is the tensional force of a given string? So we know the formula. T is equal to the M1 M2 upon M1 plus M2 into G. So what is the M1 M2? That is 2 plus 1. Here M1 2 and M2 is the 1 upon M1 plus M2. So 2 multiplication 1, 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 1 into 9 point. Here 2 into 1 2 upon 2 plus 1 3. So we have formula. We know the value of acceleration already. So 9.8 upon 3 into 2. So we know the 9.8 by 3 value, that is 3.26 into 2. It is equal to the 6.52 newtons, because it is a tensional force. So what is the tensional force value here? T is equal to the 6.52 newtons. So this is the tensional force of a given body. When two bodies connected to a string, it is passed over a pulley. What is the acceleration of a given body? A is equal to the M2 upon M1 plus M2 into G meter second inverse minus 2. That is the acceleration. What is the tensional force? M1 M2 upon M1 plus M2 into G. So that is the tensional force of a given body. Here M1 M2 is the two body masses and it is connected to a string and it is passed over a pulley. So this is the acceleration and tensional force values. So we have values here. We know the formula. We will calculate very easily. Subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.